Welcome to the channel today as we continue to explore London nightlife, December 2023. London is known for its vibrant nightlife scene, with plenty of options for tourists who want to party all night long. Here are some of the best venues in London that are open 24/7. Café de Paris. This iconic nightclub in Soho is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. With live music, DJ sets, and stunning Art Deco decor, it's a must-visit spot for partygoers. Fabric. This legendary nightclub in Farringdon is open until 6 a.m. on weekends and features some of the best DJs in the world. With 3 different rooms playing different genres of music, there's something for everyone at Fabric. Duck and Waffle. Located on the 40th floor of the Heron Tower, this stylish restaurant and bar serve up delicious food and drinks with panoramic views of the city. Open 24/7, it's the perfect spot for a late-night dinner or a nightcap. The Ned. This luxury hotel in the heart of the City of London boasts several bars, restaurants, and a nightclub that are all open 24/7. From the rooftop bar to the speakeasy-style basement bar, there's no shortage of places to grab a drink at the Ned. VQ. With locations in Chelsea, Bloomsbury, and Notting Hill, VQ, short for Vinquator, is a 24-hour diner that serves up classic British comfort food all night long. It's the perfect spot to grab a late-night bite after a night of partying. These are just a few of the many venues in London that are open 24/7. No matter what kind of nightlife experience you're looking for, you're sure to find it in London. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这个时候就是为了迎合主流群体们的感受，我能为主的做的路线却只能到这里的兜。这首风格其实比较黑暗，比较 underground， 希望我们的风格也能够在地面上行走，一路在走，跌跌撞撞，拼拼斗斗，却从来没有被停留。但我也在他心里，难怪属于我们。Body get low， 这样的调子好像爱迷人的手，就是那属于我们的定下安着的手。Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah， 试着让这音乐包围你这感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， 感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， do you like it? Yeah， 就让我们再次回到那个年代。Do you like it? Yeah， 这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这个时候就是为了迎合主流群体们的感受，我能为主的做的路线却只能到这里的兜。这首风格其实比较黑暗，比较 underground， 希望我们的风格也能够在地面上行走，一路在走，跌跌撞撞，拼拼斗斗，却从来没有被停留。但我也在他心里，难怪属于我们。Body get low， 这样的调子好像爱迷人的手，就是那属于我们的定下安着的手。Do you like it? Yeah， do you like it? Yeah， 试着让这音乐包围你这感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， 感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， do you like it? Yeah， 就让我们再次回到那个年代。Do you like it? Yeah， 这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 紧，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这时候就是为了迎合主流群体们的感受，我能为主人做的路线却只能到这里的兜。这首风格的气息比较黑暗，比较 underground， 希望我们的风格也能够在地面上行走。一路在走，跌跌撞撞，停停走走，却从来没有被停留。但我也在他心里，难怪属于我们。Body get low， 这样的调子好像爱逼着你接受，这是那属于我们的地下暗着的声浪。Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah， 试着让这音乐包围你这感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， 感觉。Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah， 就让我们再次回到那个年代。Do you like it? Yeah， 这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这时候就是为了迎合主流群体们的感受，我能为主人做的路线却只能到这里的兜。这首风格的气息比较黑暗，比较 underground， 希望我们的风格也能够在地面上行走。一路在走，跌跌撞撞，停停走走，却从来没有被停留。但我也在他心里，难怪属于我们。Body get low， 这样的调子好像爱逼着你接受，这是那属于我们的地下暗着的声浪。Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah， 试着让这音乐包围你这感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， 感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， do you like it? Yeah， 就让我们再次回到那个年代。Do you like it? Yeah， 这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在